Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix ReCAPTCHA on Google Chrome. Let's begin. If you are encountering issues with the ReCAPTCHA on Google Chrome, it can be due to various factors including browser settings, extensions, or network issues. Now, sometimes a simple page refresh can resolve temporary issues with ReCAPTCHA. Now, if you're using the Windows, I need you to click on the Control plus F5 to refresh, or simply F5. If that doesn't work, I need you to click on this three dots icon and click on the settings. No, click on the help and click on About Google Chrome. Now, you want to make sure that Google Chrome is updated because it could potentially cause problems, especially regarding about the CAPTCHA. All right. But the thing is, if the Google Chrome is not updated, basically it automatically updates on its own. So, but of course, just make sure that it's updated. After that, if you're still having problems with the ReCAPTCHA, if you are using any VPN right now, you might want to disable that for the time being to make sure that is not the reason why you're encountering the ReCAPTCHA problems or it's not working. Basically, like VPN or proxy, because it can hinder and potentially mask your IP address. That's one thing, all right? Now, after that, obviously, you want to make sure that you have a stable and active internet connections because network issues or poor connection can affect ReCAPTCHA functionality. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if that happens. Now, another option is you might want to go to the command prompt or CMD and type in these following commands. All right. Number one is that's going to be ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter. And the next thing is net space winsock and space reset and press enter. All right. After that, if it still doesn't work, the next option is you might want to contact the Google Help Center regarding about the Google Chrome website support. Enter a question to see if we can get an answer from the active community. All right. And after that, by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most related to ReCAPTCHA and Google Chrome. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.